Ken and Jenny, the Oregon Health Authority is working 7 days a week and trading out shifts and working even up until 1 and 2 o'clock in the morning in order to stay on top of this. So what they have done is they have put together an incident response team that pulls together dozens of experts on this issue. And so they are working together to track all of the possible coronavirus cases in Oregon. And from the information that they gather, they're working on properly communicating health and safety procedures to various entities like schools, hospitals, and the media. So through the Oregon Health Authority, though the Oregon Health Authority has only confirmed 3 cases of COVID-19, 2 of them in Lake Oswego and 1 in Umatilla County, state epidemiologists believe more people in Oregon have the virus.
Some modeling was done for the state of Washington that showed that they likely had 500 to 600 cases in the state of Washington. We don't have similar modeling here, but we do know that we've had at least 2 cases in Oregon that we don't identify the source. So with those 2 cases and the fact that they're in different parts of the state, there likely are many more cases here in Oregon that we haven't yet detected, and I think we will continue to detect those cases.
Right now, the Oregon Health Authority can test up to 80 people a day for the virus. They will up their staff if need be to meet any demands. So they are following CDC testing protocols. And as their incident response team gets more information and more confirmed coronavirus cases, they say they will let us know within hours. And if you're wondering why there is that little bit of delay and lag time, it's because they first have to notify any family members and then they have to notify the hospitals. From there, they'll notify us so we can disseminate that information onto you. So health officials say that they are working as hard as they can to try and contain the virus here in Oregon. But at this point, doctors say that we all have a role to play in this. And so they're urging people to practice good hand hygiene, washing their hands, and of course, covering coughs and sneezes and staying home when you're sick. So we have another reporter who's inside right now talking to more doctors about ways that you can protect yourself. She'll have another report on the coronavirus and things like that coming up at 4, 5, and 6. But for now, reporting live here in Northeast Portland, Elise Haas, KOIN 6 News.
All right, thank you, Elise.